IBM WebSphere Cast Iron Online Training. Introduction to IBM WebSphere Cast Iron. IBM WebSphere Cast Iron is a cloud-based integration solution designed to simplify and streamline the process of connecting cloud applications, on-premises systems, and other enterprise applications. It offers tools and features to enable businesses to integrate diverse applications quickly and efficiently without the need for extensive coding or custom development. Key features and capabilities. Pre-built connectors. WebSphere Cast Iron provides a wide range of pre-built connectors to popular applications and services, including Salesforce, SAP, Oracle, and more. These connectors facilitate seamless integration without the need for extensive custom coding. Template-based integration. The platform includes templates for common integration scenarios such as data synchronization, migration, and real-time integration. These templates help speed up the integration process and reduce errors. Graphical mapping and transformation. Users can visually map and transform data between different systems using a drag-and-drop interface. This feature simplifies the process of defining how data should be transferred and transformed between applications. Flexible deployment options. WebSphere Cast Iron can be deployed in various environments, including on-premises, in the cloud, or in hybrid configurations. This flexibility allows businesses to choose the deployment model that best fits their needs. Real-time and batch integration. The platform supports both real-time and batch integration, enabling businesses to handle different integration scenarios effectively. Real-time integration ensures immediate data synchronization, while batch integration is useful for processing large volumes of data at scheduled intervals. Error handling and monitoring. WebSphere Cast Iron includes robust error handling and monitoring capabilities. Users can track the status of their integrations, receive alerts for any issues, and take corrective actions as needed. Overview of cloud integration with IBM WebSphere Cast Iron. IBM WebSphere Cast Iron is a powerful integration solution that helps organizations connect various cloud and on-premises applications quickly and effectively. Here's an overview of its key features, benefits, and components. Key features. Pre-built integration templates. Cast Iron offers a range of pre-built templates that simplify the process of integrating common applications, reducing the time and effort required for development. Graphical design interface. Users can design integration workflows using a drag-and-drop interface, which makes it accessible to users with varying levels of technical expertise. Connectivity supports a wide range of connectors for SaaS applications, enterprise applications, and data sources, including Salesforce, SAP, Oracle, Microsoft Dynamics, and more. Hybrid integration facilitates integration across cloud and on-premises environments, ensuring seamless data flow and process synchronization. Real-time and batch integration allows for both real-time data integration and scheduled batch processing, catering to different business needs. API management provides tools for managing APIs, including creating, publishing, and securing APIs to support integration with various applications. Data transformation includes robust data transformation capabilities, enabling data mapping, transformation, and enrichment between source and target systems. Monitoring and management offers comprehensive monitoring and management features to track integration performance and troubleshoot issues. Benefits: speed and agility, accelerates the integration process with pre-built templates and a user-friendly interface, enabling faster time to market for new initiatives. Cost efficiency, reduces the need for extensive custom coding, lowering development costs and minimizing maintenance overhead. Scalability, scales to meet the needs of growing businesses, handling increased data volumes and more complex integration scenarios. Flexibility, supports a wide range of applications and data sources, providing flexibility to adapt to changing business requirements. Enhanced collaboration, facilitates better collaboration between IT and business teams through a graphical interface and pre-built connectors. Improved data quality, ensures data consistency and accuracy through comprehensive data transformation and validation capabilities. Key features and capabilities of IBM WebSphere Cast Iron. IBM WebSphere Cast Iron is a comprehensive integration solution designed to simplify and accelerate the process of connecting various applications, whether they are on-premises or in the cloud. Here are the key features and capabilities of IBM WebSphere Cast Iron. Key features: rapid integration development. Pre-built connectors includes a wide array of pre-built connectors for popular applications like Salesforce, SAP, Oracle, and more, facilitating quick integration without the need for custom coding. Graphical interface, user-friendly graphical interface to design integration processes, making it accessible even for those with limited coding experience. Hybrid integration, on-premises and cloud integration, seamlessly integrates on-premises applications with cloud applications, ensuring consistent data flow across diverse environments. Hybrid deployment options, offers flexibility with on-premises, cloud, or hybrid deployment models to meet various business requirements. Real-time data integration. Real-time and batch processing supports both real-time data synchronization and batch data processing, catering to different integration needs. Event-driven integration enables real-time data updates by triggering integrations based on specific events. Data transformation and mapping. Data mapping tools provides tools for data transformation and mapping to ensure data consistency and integrity across systems. Complex data handling, capable of handling complex data formats and structures, making it suitable for enterprise-grade integrations. Management and monitoring. Centralized Management Console offers a centralized console for managing, monitoring, and troubleshooting integration processes. Alerts and notifications, configurable alerts and notifications to proactively manage integration issues. Scalability and performance. Scalable architecture, designed to scale with growing integration needs, handling increasing data volumes and transaction loads efficiently. High performance, optimized for high performance to ensure quick and reliable data integration. Security and compliance. Secure data transfer ensures secure data transfer between systems with robust encryption and security protocols. Compliance support supports compliance with industry standards and regulations, providing audit trails and secure data handling practices. Enhancing business processes with IBM WebSphere Cast Iron. IBM WebSphere Cast Iron is a robust solution for integrating cloud applications with on-premises systems and other cloud applications, streamlining business processes and improving operational efficiency. Here are some key ways to enhance business processes using IBM WebSphere Cast Iron. 1. Rapid integration development. Pre-built connectors. Utilize pre-built connectors for popular SaaS applications like Salesforce, SAP, and Oracle to quickly integrate disparate systems. Graphical interface. Leverage the user-friendly graphical interface to design, implement, and manage integrations without deep coding knowledge, reducing development time. 2. Real-time data synchronization. Data consistency. Ensure data consistency across multiple systems by synchronizing data in real time, eliminating data silos and improving data accuracy. Event-driven integration. Use event-driven integration to trigger data flows based on specific events or changes in the source systems. 3. Hybrid integration. Cloud and on-premises. Seamlessly integrate cloud applications with on-premises systems, enabling a hybrid integration approach that supports diverse IT environments. Scalability. Scale integrations as the business grows, ensuring that the integration architecture can handle increased data volume and complexity. 4. Process automation. Workflow automation. Automate repetitive business processes by integrating applications and automating data flows, leading to improved efficiency and reduced human error. Business rules. Implement business rules within integrations to automate decision-making processes and ensure consistent policy enforcement. 5. Monitoring and management. Centralized management. Use centralized dashboards to monitor and manage integrations, providing visibility into integration performance and health. Error handling. Implement robust error handling and notification mechanisms to quickly identify and resolve issues, minimizing downtime and ensuring smooth operations. Deployment options, on-premises, cloud, and hybrid. When considering deployment options for IT solutions, three primary models are typically evaluated: on-premises, cloud, and hybrid. Each option has distinct advantages and challenges based on factors like cost, scalability, control, and security. Here's a detailed overview of each. On-premises. Definition. On-premises deployment involves hosting and running software applications within the physical confines of an organization's own data centers. Advantages. Control and customization. Complete control over hardware, software, and data. Ability to customize and optimize hardware and software configurations to meet specific needs. Security and compliance. Enhance control over data security and compliance with industry regulations. Physical control over data, which can be essential for certain compliance requirements. Performance. Potential for optimized performance due to proximity to other on-premises resources and reduced latency. Challenges. Cost. High initial capital expenditure for hardware, software, and infrastructure. Ongoing maintenance and operational costs, including energy, cooling, and IT staff. Scalability. Limited by physical hardware capacity. Scaling up requires additional investment in infrastructure. Maintenance. Requires dedicated IT staff for maintenance, updates, and troubleshooting. Responsibility for hardware failures and disaster recovery. Real-time data integration techniques in IBM WebSphere Cast Iron. IBM WebSphere Cast Iron offers various techniques for real-time data integration to enable seamless data flow between on-premises and cloud-based applications. Here are some of the key techniques. 1. Web services and APIs. SOAP and REST APIs. Cast Iron can consume and produce both SOAP and REST web services, enabling integration with a wide range of applications and services. API orchestration, combining multiple API calls into a single workflow for complex integration scenarios. 2. Event-driven integration. Polling mechanisms, regularly checking source systems for new data and triggering integration processes when changes are detected. Real-time event handling, subscribing to real-time events from applications like Salesforce, SAP, or other event-driven systems to immediately capture and integrate new data. 3. Data transformation and mapping. Graphical data mapping, using a visual interface to map data fields between source and target systems, allowing for complex transformations without coding. Built-in transformation functions, utilizing pre-built functions for data conversion, enrichment, and validation during the integration process. 4. Message queuing and broker systems. Message queues, integrating with message queuing systems like IBM MQ, RabbitMQ, or Kafka to handle high-throughput data streams and ensure reliable data delivery. Pub-sub models, using publish-subscribe models to decouple data producers and consumers, facilitating scalable and real-time data integration. 5. Connectivity and adapters. Pre-built connectors, leveraging Cast Iron's extensive library of connectors for popular applications like Salesforce, SAP, Oracle, and more, enabling quick and reliable integration. Custom adapters, creating custom adapters to connect with proprietary or less common systems. 6. Integration templates. Reusable templates, using predefined integration templates for common scenarios, which can be customized to meet specific business needs, reducing development time and effort. 7. Error handling and monitoring. Real-time monitoring, continuous monitoring of integration processes to ensure data is flowing as expected and to quickly identify and resolve issues. Error handling mechanisms, implementing robust error handling and retry mechanisms to manage integration failures and ensure data consistency. Leveraging pre-built templates for quick integration. Leveraging pre-built templates for quick integration can significantly speed up development and deployment processes. Here's how you can make the most out of pre-built templates across different platforms and tools. 1. IBM WebSphere Cast Iron. Pre-built integrations. Use the pre-built connectors and templates available in Cast Iron for integrating with popular applications like Salesforce, SAP, Oracle, and more. Drag and drop interface. Utilize the graphical interface to quickly configure integrations without writing code. Cloud and on-premise. Deploy integrations both on-premises and in the cloud, benefiting from pre-built templates tailored for either environment. 2. Cloud Foundry. Service integrations. Cloud Foundry offers service brokers and templates for integrating databases, messaging services, and other cloud services. Build packs. Utilize pre-configured build packs to streamline the deployment of applications in various languages and frameworks. 3. Adobe Audience Manager, AUM. Integration templates. Leverage pre-built templates for data ingestion, segmentation, and audience targeting. Adobe Experience Cloud. Use templates to integrate AUM with other Adobe tools like Adobe Analytics, Adobe Target, and Adobe Campaign. 4. Informatica Big Data Management, BDM. Data integration templates. Use pre-built mappings and workflows to accelerate data integration and ETL processes. Governance templates. Apply templates for data governance, quality, and metadata management to ensure compliance and data accuracy. Ensuring data security in IBM WebSphere Cast Iron. Ensuring data security in IBM WebSphere Cast Iron involves implementing a combination of best practices, built-in features, and additional security measures. Here are key strategies to ensure data security. 1. Encryption. Data in transit. Use SSL TLS to encrypt data being transferred between systems to prevent interception. Data at rest. Encrypt data stored on disk using strong encryption algorithms to protect against unauthorized access. 2. Authentication and authorization. Strong authentication. Implement multi-factor authentication, MFA, to ensure only authorized users can access the system. Role-based access control. RBAC define roles and permissions to control who can access specific data and functionalities. 3. Secure configuration. Harden configurations. Ensure that all configurations follow security best practices, such as disabling unnecessary services and changing default passwords. Secure API endpoints. Protect API endpoints with authentication and authorization mechanisms to prevent unauthorized access. 4. Data masking and tokenization. Masking sensitive data. Use data masking techniques to obfuscate sensitive information in non-production environments. Tokenization. Replace sensitive data with unique identification symbols, tokens, that retain the essential information without exposing real data. 5. Monitoring and logging. Audit logs. Enable detailed logging to track access and changes to data. Monitor logs for suspicious activities. Real-time monitoring. Implement real-time monitoring tools to detect and respond to security incidents promptly. 6. Security policies and procedures. Regular security assessments. Conduct regular security assessments, including vulnerability scans and penetration testing, to identify and mitigate security risks. Incident response plan. Develop and maintain an incident response plan to handle potential security breaches effectively. API integration with IBM WebSphere Cast Iron. IBM WebSphere Cast Iron is designed to simplify the integration of cloud and on-premises applications, databases, and systems. Here's how you typically approach API integration with IBM WebSphere Cast Iron. API connectivity. Cast Iron supports various protocols and standards for API connectivity, including REST, SOAP, XML, and JSON. It can integrate with both RESTful and SOAP-based APIs. Configuration. You typically configure API connections within the Cast Iron Studio interface. This involves specifying endpoints, authentication details, such as API keys or OAuth tokens, and defining data mappings between systems. Data mapping. Cast Iron allows you to map data fields between different APIs or between APIs and other systems, like databases or enterprise applications. This mapping ensures that data is correctly transformed and routed between systems. Transformation. Cast Iron includes tools for data transformation, allowing you to manipulate data formats, perform calculations, or apply business logic during the integration process. Orchestration. You can orchestrate API calls and other integration tasks within Cast Iron, defining workflows that automate complex business processes involving multiple APIs or systems. Monitoring and management. Cast Iron provides monitoring capabilities to track the performance and status of API integrations. It also offers management tools for troubleshooting, logging, and optimizing integrations over time. Security. Integration with APIs often involves ensuring secure data transmission and access control. Cast Iron supports various security mechanisms to protect data during transit and at rest. Adapters. Cast Iron provides pre-built adapters for common APIs and systems, which can simplify integration efforts by handling many of the underlying connection and protocol details. Benefits of IBM WebSphere Cast Iron in hybrid cloud environments. IBM WebSphere Cast Iron provides several benefits in hybrid cloud environments. Integration capabilities. Cast Iron enables seamless integration between on-premises systems, cloud applications, and data sources. It supports various integration styles, including API-led connectivity, to unify diverse environments. Flexibility and scalability. It offers flexibility to scale integration capabilities based on business needs. Whether integrating a few applications or complex multi-cloud environments, Cast Iron can handle diverse integration scenarios. Speed of integration. Cast Iron accelerates integration projects with pre-built templates, connectors, and workflows, reducing development time and costs. It supports rapid deployment of integrations across hybrid environments. Security and compliance. It ensures secure integration through encryption, identity management, and compliance with industry standards, example GDPR, HIPAA. This ensures data security and privacy across hybrid cloud deployments. Monitoring and management. Cast Iron provides visibility into integration processes and performance metrics. It offers tools for monitoring, managing, and troubleshooting integrations, ensuring operational efficiency and reliability. Business agility. By integrating cloud and on-premises applications seamlessly, Cast Iron enhances business agility. It enables faster response to market changes, supports innovation, and facilitates better decision-making through real-time data access. Cost efficiency. It helps optimize IT costs by reducing the complexity of integration projects. Cast Iron's scalable architecture and reusable components lower maintenance and operational expenses associated with integration. Multi-cloud strategy implementation with IBM WebSphere Cast Iron. Implementing a multi-cloud strategy with IBM WebSphere Cast Iron involves several key steps and considerations. Assessment and planning. Evaluate your current IT landscape, business requirements, and objectives for adopting a multi-cloud approach. Define what applications and data will be migrated or integrated across multiple cloud environments. Integration architecture design. Design a scalable and flexible integration architecture that can support connectivity between different cloud platforms, on-premises systems, and various applications. IBM WebSphere Cast Iron provides a cloud-based integration platform that facilitates connectivity with its pre-built connectors and integration templates. Connectivity setup. Configure connectivity between IBM WebSphere Cast Iron and your cloud environments, example AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. Leverage Cast Iron's capabilities to establish secure connections, manage APIs, and ensure seamless data flow between cloud services. Data integration and orchestration. Use Cast Iron to integrate data and applications across clouds, ensuring consistency and reliability in data synchronization and orchestration of business processes. This involves mapping data models, defining transformation rules, and implementing workflows to automate integration tasks. Security and compliance. Implement robust security measures to protect data in transit and at rest across multiple clouds. Ensure compliance with industry regulations and standards, example GDPR, HIPAA, by configuring access controls, encryption, and monitoring capabilities within Cast Iron. Monitoring and optimization. Continuously monitor the performance and health of your multi-cloud integrations using Cast Iron's monitoring tools. Optimize integration workflows and resource utilization to improve efficiency and reduce operational costs. Scalability and resilience. Design for scalability and resilience by leveraging Cast Iron's capabilities for load balancing, failover, and disaster recovery across multiple cloud environments. Ensure high availability of critical applications and data integrations. Training and support. Provide training for IT staff and stakeholders involved in managing and using IBM WebSphere Cast Iron for multi-cloud integration. Leverage IBM's support services to address technical issues and ensure smooth operation of your integration solutions. Simplifying SaaS integration with IBM WebSphere Cast Iron. Simplifying SaaS integration with IBM WebSphere Cast Iron involves leveraging its capabilities for seamless connectivity and automation. Here are some key points to consider. Pre-built connectors. Cast Iron offers a wide range of pre-built connectors for popular SaaS applications like Salesforce, ServiceNow, and many others. These connectors simplify the integration process by providing ready-made templates and configurations. Drag-and-drop interface. The platform features a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface for designing integration flows. This makes it accessible for business users and reduces the dependency on IT for day-to-day integration tasks. Data mapping and transformation. Cast Iron includes tools for mapping data between different systems and transforming it to meet the format requirements of each application. This ensures data consistency and accuracy across integrated platforms. Security and compliance. It provides robust security features to ensure data integrity and compliance with regulatory requirements. This includes encryption, access controls, and auditing capabilities. Monitoring and management. Cast Iron offers monitoring dashboards and management tools to track integration performance, troubleshoot issues, and optimize workflows over time. Scalability and reliability. Designed for enterprise-level scalability, Cast Iron can handle large volumes of data and transactions reliably, ensuring minimal downtime and maximum efficiency. Why choose ProExcellency for IBM WebSphere Cast Iron Online Training? Choosing ProExcellency for IBM WebSphere Cast Iron Online Training can be advantageous for several reasons. Expertise and experience. ProExcellency likely offers trainers with deep expertise and experience in IBM WebSphere Cast Iron. This ensures that you receive training from professionals who understand the platform thoroughly. Comprehensive curriculum. They may provide a well-structured curriculum covering all essential aspects of IBM WebSphere Cast Iron, from basic concepts to advanced topics. This ensures a thorough learning experience. Flexible learning options. Online training with ProExcellency likely offers flexibility in terms of timings and learning pace. This is ideal for professionals who need to balance learning with their work schedules. Hands-on experience. They may offer practical, hands-on training exercises and real-world examples. This practical approach can help you gain confidence in using IBM WebSphere Cast Iron in real scenarios. Certification preparation. If certification is your goal, ProExcellency might provide guidance and resources to help you prepare for IBM WebSphere Cast Iron certification exams. Support and resources. They likely offer ongoing support and access to resources such as recorded sessions, study materials, and forums to facilitate learning and address queries. Cost-effective. Compared to traditional classroom training, online training with ProExcellency might be more cost-effective, saving on travel and accommodation expenses. Thank you.